www.atreesurgeon.com. We're out here at the Hanson's concrete plant, and we got a lot of work going on here. Got the big chipper, forestry truck. Got another truck, trailer over there. And that's set up for the other tractor that's hiding behind there. We're moving some concrete pillars right now. Got some part of the crew over here getting this done. Got about 10 or 12 guys out here on this job. There's 4 or 5 more actually over on the other side. Another guy in the bucket truck waiting to back up, get this pile done. So as soon as these concrete pillars are moved, we'll go ahead and chip up all this brush. And up the slope to the sumac up there that you see. This is tree service at its finest. This was an emergency call yesterday for Hanson's concrete plant, and we're out the next day with a large crew getting it done. That's just what we do. We just knock things out, we get it done, and we're always on time, and we're there when we say we're going to be there. So be sure to give us a call at 619-381-0763, and we'll handle all your tree service needs. Demolition, hauling, grading, anything you need. We're general contractors. We're tree contractors. C27, B1, D49, you name it, we got it. And we got engineers on staff as well. Moving right along, we're almost there. We're almost there, ready to, we got to pull out that last A concrete right there. A concrete, A tree surgeon. You got it. AAA quality.